Is your Volkswagen Golf shaking or idling rough on a cold morning? That's a classic sign of an engine misfire, and you shouldn't ignore it. It might seem minor, but continuous misfires can lead to serious engine damage. When you start your Golf, each cylinder needs to ignite the fuel-air mixture perfectly. A misfire happens when one or more cylinders fail to fire, causing vibrations and loss of power. This issue is especially noticeable during cold starts, when precision is key. Common causes of cold start misfires include worn spark plugs and faulty ignition coils. If your spark plugs are dirty or damaged, they won't fire correctly, leading to misfires. Clogged fuel injectors can also prevent the right amount of fuel from entering the combustion chamber. Vacuum leaks disturb the air-fuel mixture, leading to incomplete combustion. A faulty coolant temperature sensor can give incorrect readings, messing up the fuel mixture. Carbon buildup on intake valves can disrupt airflow and affect combustion efficiency. So why should you fix this immediately? Persistent misfires can damage your catalytic converter, leading to costly repairs. They also reduce fuel efficiency and power output, affecting your driving experience. Addressing these issues early protects vital engine components. A cold start misfire is your car's way of signaling that something's wrong. By tackling the root causes, you can restore smooth performance and extend engine life. Don't wait. Act quickly to save yourself from expensive repairs later.